Hello children, welcome to another session of Science Class 4. Today we will understand Lesson 6 and will solve exercise of Lesson 6. This lesson will help you to learn about leaf and their parts, to understand how do plants make food, and to describe uses and storage of food by plants. We will study about the green plants. So this is session 1 about the green plant, in which you will learn about leaf, right? So we will start with this session now. Children, most of the plants on earth are green plant, right? You must have seen around you that all the plants are mostly green, right? So why they are green in color? Why most of the plants are green? They are green due to the presence of substance called chlorophyll in the leaves. So children, chlorophyll is such a substance which is present in the leaf of the plant, and because of this substance called chlorophyll, the green plants appear green in color. So you can see in this picture, and chlorophyll are very small substance present in these leaves, and that is why most plants on the earth are green in color. So always remember, plants appear green due to the presence of substance called chlorophyll. There are different types of leaves. Plants can be identified by looking at their leaves. Leaves of some trees are shown alongside. So children, now we will study about parts of leaf, right? So children, if we look at leaf very closely, we will see that it has a flesh part and what it is called means names of the parts. So children, a leaf has a flat part called the leaf blade. Some leaves have a very broad leaf blade, and whereas some have narrow ones. So each leaf usually has one main vein and many side veins, as you can see in the picture. And veins help in the transportation of substances. So that is the function of veins. That veins helps in the transportation of substances, for example water, mineral, and prepared food. And the underside of a leaf contains millions of tiny openings, which is called stomata. And these tiny openings also help the plant, like it let air flow in and out of the leaf. So the children, flat part of the leaves, fall leaf, and as you can see in the picture, if you look at a leaf very closely, you can see some veins, right? So these are side veins, and you can see one line in the middle of the leaf. What does it call? Yes, it is called main vein. So this is the main way of leaf, and here there are side winds of leaves. A leaf performs different functions, like it helps the plant to make their own food. So children, chlorophyll is very important. Chlorophyll doesn't only give green color to the plants, but it helps the plants to make their own food, right? So because of this, chlorophyll is very important for the plants and the animals, human beings, as we are also dependent on plant. So thus it helps the plant to make their own food, like different vegetables and fruits for children. Green plants are very important for us. They are also able to utilize sunlight, and sunlight is very important for the plant. So the leaf of a plant makes food, and therefore it is called the food factory of a plant. It also helps a plant to let air in and out through stomata, as taking in oxygen is very important because it allows you and your cells to do things like make energy from the food you eat. So plants breathe too. They also breathe, but they do it through tiny openings, which allow the intake of carbon dioxide and release oxygen. It's very important that they do this because this is very important and we need oxygen. Now let's understand how do leaves make food. Green plants make their own food with the help of chlorophyll present in their leaves, and they use light, water and carbon dioxide present in the air as raw materials to make their food, and these raw materials are obtained through the process which is called photosynthesis. Water is absorbed by the roots and carried through the stem to the leaves. Then second material, light. When light falls on the leaves, it is absorbed by chlorophyll. Another material, carbon dioxide, which is taken in through stomata, and after the food is prepared, oxygen is given out through that, and that performs the some important function for the plants, like they take in and give out air, they remove water vapor and oxygen after photosynthesis from the plant. So the process by which leaves use sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into food is called photosynthesis. Now let's understand uses and storage of food by plants. The food prepared by the process of photosynthesis is called glucose. The stem and branches of the plant take the prepared food from the leaves to other parts of the plant, and then the plant uses some of this food for its daily activities and stores the extra food as starch in its different parts. Now let's understand interdependence of plants and animals. So as you know that plants and animals are dependent on each other in many ways. Green plants are the main producer of food. Animals depend on these plants for their food, and thus a chain exists in nature for obtaining food. A chain that shows a series of organisms where each member depends on the lower member in the series for food is called food chain. And this interdependence of plant and animal in a food chain helps to maintain a balance between the number of plants and animals. Thus, if there is sudden increase or decrease in the number of either plants or animal, the balance in nature will be disturbed. So besides, plants also give out oxygen, which is needed by animals as well as human beings to breathe. And animal in return give out carbon dioxide. Even human being give out carbon dioxide, which is needed by the plants for photosynthesis. Now let's understand an experiment. Aim is to test for starch. Things needed are potato, a dropper, and iodine solution. Method: first step, slice a potato into two. Second step, put a few drops of iodine solution onto the cut side. Then observation: observe that the iodine solution turns the color of the potato bluish black. Conclusion: this shows that potato has a lot of starch stored in it. Now second experiment is testing a leaf for starch. Aim to prove that light is needed by leaves for photosynthesis. Things needed are a potted plant, beaker, water, spirit, iodine solution, and dropper. Method: first step, keep a healthy potted plant in a dark room for a day or two. Water the plant at regular intervals. Second step, now pluck a leaf from this plant and boil it in water. Then dip it in spirit and wash it in cold water. Third step, now put a few drops of iodine solution on the leaf. Observation: the color of the leaf does not change. So conclusion: this shows that no starch was formed. Starch turns iodine solution bluish black, and since light alone was not available to the plant to photosynthesize and produce glucose, it shows that light is needed for photosynthesis. Now let's understand. Choose the correct option. First, WHICH, which OF of THESE, this HELP, help, TO2 TRANSPORT, transport, SUBSTANCES, substances, WITHIN, within, THE, the, LEAF, leaf. Which of these help to transport substances within the leaf? Options are A. S.T.O.M.A.T.A. Stomata. Option B. L.E.A.F. leaf. B. L.A.D.E. blade, leaf blade. Option C. C.H.L.O.R.O.P.H.Y.L.L. chlorophyll. Option D. V.E.I.N.S. Answer is option D. V.E.I.N.S. winds, because winds help in transportation of substances, for example water, mineral, and prepare food to and from the leaf. Now next MCQ. WHICH, which OF of THESE, these HELP help, TO2 ABSORB absorb, WATER water, AND and MINERALS minerals, FOR for THE the PLANTS plants. Which of these help to absorb water and minerals for the plant? Option A. ROOTS roots. Option B. STEM stem. Option C. LEAVES leaves. Option D. VEINS winds. Answer is option A. ROOTS, because these raw materials like water and minerals are absorbed by the root and carried through the stem to the leaves. So answer is option A. ROOTS. Now next MCQ. WHICH, which PART part OF of THE the LEAF leaf, REMOVES removes, WATER water, VAPOUR vapor, AND and OXYGEN oxygen, AFTER after, PHOTOSYNTHESIS photosynthesis. Which part of the leaf removes water vapor and oxygen after photosynthesis? Option A. LEAF leaf, BLADE blade, leaf blade. Option B. MAIN main, VEIN wind, main wind. Option C. STOMATA stomata. Option D. SIDE side, VEIN wind, side wind. Answer is option C. STOMATA stomata, which also take in and give out air and performs another function like they remove water vapor and oxygen after photosynthesis from the plant. So answer is option C. Now next WHICH, which OF of THESE, these WILL will, NOT not, BEB and EEDED needed, BY by, LEAVES leaves, FOR for, MAKING, making FOOD, food. Which of these will not be needed by leaves for making food? Options are A. CARBON, carbon, DIOXIDE, dioxide, carbon dioxide. Option B. WATER, water. Option C. SUNLIGHT, sunlight. And option D. NONE, non-OF, of THIS, none of these. So answer is option D, none of these, because green plants use light, water and carbon dioxide, three of the things, as raw material to make their food. So answer is option D, none of this. Now next, WHICH, which OF of THESE, these IS is NOT, not TRUE, true, ABOUT, about, PHOTOSYNTHESIS, photosynthesis. Which of these is not true about photosynthesis? Options are option A. FOOD, food, PREPARED, prepared. IS is INNTHE, the. FORM, form. OF of SUGAR, sugar. Food prepared is in the form of sugar. Option B. FOOD, food, PREPARED, prepared. IS is INNTHE, the. FORM, form. OF of STARCH, starch. Food prepared is in the form of starch. Option C. CARBON, carbon, DIOXIDE, dioxide, WATER, water, AND, and LIGHT, light, ARER, RAW, raw, MATERIALS, materials. Carbon dioxide, water and light are raw materials. Option D. CHLOROPHYLL, chlorophyll. IS is NEEDED, needed. TO2 ABSORB, absorb. LIGHT, light. Answer is FOOD, food prepared is in the form of sugar, because food prepared is in the form of starch in its different parts, and carbon dioxide, water and light are raw materials which are needed to make their food, and chlorophyll is also needed to absorb light. So answer is option A. Now next, WHICH, which OF of THESE, these SHOWS, shows THE, the. PRESENCE, presence. OF of STARCH, starch. Which of these shows the presence of starch? Options are A. First option, IODINE, iodine. TURNS, turns. REDDISH, reddish. BROWN, brown. Iodine turns reddish brown. Option B, STARCH, starch, TURNS, turns TO2, GLUCOSE, glucose, starch turns to glucose. Option C, IODINE, iodine, SOLUTION, solution, TURNS, turns BLUISH, bluish, BLACK, black. Iodine solution turns bluish black. Option D, LEAVES, leaves, TURN, turn, GREEN, green. Leaves turn green. So answer is option A, iodine turns reddish brown. Now next, WHICH, which OF of THESE, these ARE are THE, the MAIN, main, PRODUCERS, producers, OF of FOOD, food. Which of these are the main producers of food? Options are first option GREEN, green, PLANTS, plants, green plants. Option B, ANIMALS, animals. Option C, SUN, sun. Option D, NONE, non. OF of THESE, these, none of these. So answer is option A, green plants, because green plants are the main producer of food. Even animals depend on these plants for their food. Now next, WHICH, which OF of THESE, these SHOWS, shows, DEPE and DENCE, dependence. OF of ANIMALS, animals. ON, on. PLANTS, plants. Which of these shows dependence of animals on plant? Option A, PLANTS, plants. GIVE, give. OFF, of. OXYGEN, oxygen. THAT, that. ANIMAL, animal. USE, use. FOR, for. BREATHING, breathing. Plants give off oxygen that animal use for breathing. Option B, ANIMALS, animals. MAKE, make. FOOD, food. FOR, for. THE, the. PLANTS, plants. Animals make food for the plants. Option C, animals. ANIMALS, animals. DEPE and D, depend. ON, on. GREEN, green. PLANTS, plants. FOR, for. FOOD, food. Animals depend on green plants for food. Option D, BOTH, both. A and C. So answer is option D, both A and C, because both the sentence shows dependence of animals on plant.